Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sign out from YouTube on Android phone. First of all, you need to open your YouTube app in your mobile device, and after that on the bottom right corner there's your profile icon. Select that, and after you reach to your profile, on the top right corner we could see the settings option. Select that as well and go to the account over here. What you have to do is on the bottom we could see manage account. Select that, and over here you need to choose your Google account that you want to sign out from. And after this, what you have to do is tap on the remove account option, and after that again on the bottom we could see the remove account. Select that, and that is how you can successfully sign out from YouTube on Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.